Here's a before shot of the shelf that John's tidying up. Turns out tidying up can be contagious, so just beware. So I have a tiny tidy video today. This is going to be really tiny tidy, probably a shorter video, but I was really excited to do this one because I didn't have to lift a finger. Well, maybe I'll run the stuff to the thrift shop on a different day. So all this tidying up I've been doing and decluttering boxes and shelves and closets, turns out it's contagious. John's got the bug. So now he's in the mood to declutter, and he did a declutter today. That's what I'm going to share with you on today's video. Now, I've been tidying up. Every week I do a video on this, and I'm tidying up an area of my house, a box, a closet, just a little bit, because that's the phase of life that I'm in. I am an empty nester. John and I are going through the house. We're anticipating retiring full-time in just a few years. That's our plan anyway. And because of that, it's really important to us to have get our stuff organized and handled. It's sort of an emotional journey for me, so I was sort of relieved today to have John step in. He did a tiny tidy today, and his is so much more like, it's just lighter. Today's lighter. We're gonna lighten up the mood today. I'm gonna show you what he tackled for this week's tiny tidy. Here's a before shot of the shelf that John's tidying up, and this is how it looks now. Good job. Okay, Rosco, what do you think? Do you approve? We're making progress. So John just got through decluttering some of the things in his, I call it his man cave. What do you call it, John?
Yeah, call it
man cave. You sometimes call it your electrical office, your laboratory. It actually does have a sign that says laboratory above it. I would say that's fitting because there's just a little bit of everything in there. So tell us about these books.
Yeah, I was just cleaning up. They're college reference books I used for college stuff. And
long time ago,
and I'm thinking, I probably never reference those again. So it's like everything's online now. So it's like, donate them to the local, Goodwill or places that have used books and used things. People might want to have them.
Now, what about this pile over here?
Well, it's more books, more reference books in the box, and then some old keyboards from old days computer stuff.
Yeah.
When I used to build my own computers.
Mm-hmm.
Got a computer guy that helps us now with designing our computer stuff.
Yeah, we have a really good guy who does all that for us now, and we're counting down the years to retirement now, so you're looking forward to the days when you don't have to reference anything anymore.
That's right.
And do you approve? Do you approve? Yeah? He has to inspect everything that goes in and out of this front door. Mm-hmm. Like, I might want to build myself a computer and rule the world. Rosco. Now, we are ending the September self-care week. This is the final week of September self-care. It is fall, y'all, and I am going to be sharing a little vlog and showing you a few things that I'm doing to wrap up my September self-care. We're going to have that video out in a couple of days. But that's going to be it for today's video. I just thought I would jump on and share this really tiny tidy. This video is an open collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. So do go over and check out her channel and check out all the other wonderful channels who are participating.
I know you're all about the good vibes.